Good evening, friends. I have tried repeatedly, but each time I failed. So again, I am trying to upload a video to record it. So our power transformer is 21.6 MVA. So convert it into kVA because our voltage is in kV. So kVA by kV is equal to ampere. That I have done. Our power transformer kVA is 21.6. Multiply it with 1000 and divide it with 132 kV. Then rated load current you can find it is 163.6 ampere. It is 163.6 ampere. But for earth-fault relay, the current is to be injected 10% of the rated load current. Moreover, the CT secondary will reduce the current in the ratio 400 by 5. So 10% current is 16.36 ampere, and in the secondary it will convert 16.36 into 5 by 400. It will reduce in the secondary, so 5 will be on the top. The ratio is 400 by 5, but as the current will reduce in the secondary for the use of relays in the panel board, so 5 will be multiplied and 400 will be divided. So it is coming around 0.2045 ampere. This current is how much of the rated relay secondary current? Rated relay secondary current is 5 ampere. So how many times is the 0.2045 of 5 ampere? Now this is 0.409 times. How to find it out? Divide it by 5, then multiply it 100 to find the percentage. It is coming around 4.09% or 4.1%, say 4.1%. Is clear? Is it clear? If it is not clear, you contact me 9163857152 or my email address bhomikaru190@gmail.com. Next, I am telling it again. So you have seen the current setting and percentage relay current of earth-fault relay. Now we will do the overcurrent relay IDMT, inverse definite minimum time lag. Means our traction transformer has the capability to bear overload and designed to 200% overload, but it will permit for certain time. After that, if it will continue, then the circuit breaker will trip. What is the system? As soon as the current rise high, it will allow it an inverse curve. It will allow little time, but overload, but not so much. Then it will give some time to bear it. So this is IDMT characteristics. Its current is set to 190%. Its current is set to 190%. So what is the 190% current of 163.6 ampere? This is 310.84 ampere, but it is in the transformer primary side, transformer busbar side, means 130 kV busbar side. So it will reduce in the city secondary. So how much it will be? It will again reduce. So 310.84 into 5 by 400. As it will reduce, so 310.84 into 5 by 400 is equal to 3.8855 ampere. But what is the part of this current of rated load current of city secondary? City secondary rated load current is 5 ampere. So 3.8855, how many parts? It is near about 0.7771 part or 77.71%. So both we have found. We have set the current 3.8844 and set the percentage. So this is over current relay current setting. Over current relay current setting. Now we have to find out the time setting multiplier, TMS, time multiplier setting. As per RDSO guideline, the LV side fault current is 6400 ampere, means in 27 kV side. But we are calculating for 132 kV side, HV side. So you convert this current to the 132 kV side. As the MVA is fixed 61.6, so when primary voltage is more, the current will reduce. So what will you do? You multiply 6400 with 27 and divide it by 132, because it will reduce. So 27 will be on the top and 130 will be in the bottom. So it is coming around 1309 ampere. So fault current maximum is 1309 ampere in the 132 kV side. Now convert it into the city secondary, the same system. Again multiply it with 5 divided by 400, as it will reduce in the city secondary for the use of relay. So it is coming around 16.36 ampere. The circuit breaker will trip with an operating time of 600 millisecond. 600 millisecond means 0.6 second. So from the time multiplier setting formula, convert it into a second, and this is equal to time multiplier setting into 0.14 divided by 16.36. What is 16.36? Already you have seen 16.36. It is the fault current reflected to secondary of city. Fault current reflected to the secondary of city. And 3 divided by 3.89. What is 3.89? It is the 190% current setting in the city secondary side. So and it is to the power 0.02 minus 1, and it is giving time multiplier setting around 0.12. So you can set your time multiplier setting in 0.12. How? But you have to calculate it. You have to calculate it. Then only you can fix it. Next page, the same system they have given. Overcurrent relay has 3 steps: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and its percentage current they have given. So you can calculate it. If you fail to calculate it, then you contact me or message me. Then I'll again reflect it in the next video. So friends, today up to this, because 2 times I have failed, so I will not tell further today. And this is up to this. Be happy. Goodbye. In this slide they have set the three settings of OCR: stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, and they have given the current percentage, how many percent of current you have to set. So I'll not tell all these things now. Already in the previous slide I have told. So you try to understand it, to solve it. If any problem, message me your problem, so that for the next day uploading tomorrow I can answer your query. Okay friends, today after this you try to solve, try to understand the second slide. If you can't understand, then message me or email me. My phone number and email number has been shown on the top, so try to do it. Okay, thank you friend, today up to this.